Your favorite AI models like ChatGPT run on something called transformers. But what actually are they? In this video, we'll break down the technology that's changing everything. A transformer is a type of neural network architecture. Think of it like a translator's brain. It reads information, understands relationships between words, and generates smart responses. Unlike older AI models that process text one word at a time, transformers process entire sentences simultaneously. This makes them incredibly fast and accurate at understanding language and context. The secret sauce inside transformers is called attention. Imagine reading a sentence and knowing which words matter most, while ignoring irrelevant ones. When processing the cat sat on the mat, it learns that cat and sat are connected. This mechanism helps the AI understand context, relationships, and meaning in ways previous technologies couldn't. Large language models, like ChatGPT and Claude, are built entirely on transformers. They scale incredibly well. The more data and processing power you add, the smarter they become. Transformers can handle billions of parameters and learn from massive datasets. This scalability is why we've seen such explosive AI progress recently. They're the foundation of modern AI breakthroughs. Understanding transformers helps you see how AI actually works. It's not magic, it's clever math and pattern recognition. As AI becomes part of everyday life, knowing the basics gives you power. Our cognition in native goes no. Whether you're curious, building AI projects, or just staying informed, grasping transformers is your AI foundation. If this cleared things up, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI Explained Simply. Drop a comment, what AI concept confuses you most?